Sorry. Oh, yeah, that's it. Sorry to do it. Pull that. Here we are.
Live casting with Rich.
That's going to go down. So. Cool. I figured it out, but it's not working. So we're going to have to bail out the water.
Yeah, there's a cup right there.
Here we go, guys. Now we've got to figure out how to get it out as well. You got another cup so we can do two at a time, you know? You got another cup?
Another cup?
Yeah.
There you go, Sarah.
What do you mean, Sarah?
That's better. There's me doing it with like a coffee mug.
This one's kind of big too.
This has got my beard in it, guys. Alright, we're going to have to get a straw for the last bit. So it starts getting interesting.
The past 2 days I've seen really gross stuff.
What, gross?
Kind of.
That's not gross.
A little bit.
There was a little brown pop in there, would have been a different story.
Last time my friend's nose started bleeding.
Okay, right, we're getting to the death zone, here we go.
And my friend was drawing, you know? He was drawing in a sketchbook. I was like, dude, lean over. And they just start blood splattering all over the top. It was the grossest thing.
You might need to get the hairdryer out. Now that's one big hair, that is not my hair.
It's probably mine.
Is it red?
Or yours.
What do you mean mine?
Okay, I think we're clear. So now what we can do is we can operate.
Let's say, well, oh, damn.
If that worked, Patrick.
Alright. Alright.
You got me on that one.
So that is for the plug. But why is it not pushing the thing out? I've got an idea. Actually, no, I don't know. Because there might be a dead body in there. So.
It's only one of Patrick's 16-year-old girlfriends. It's no big deal. We had to get rid of the evidence. Body count! She's in the sink.
Yeah. That never happened.
Okay.
It's not what I heard. Oh.
This is a very dangerous thing, what we're doing. This goes everywhere. I just disconnected it from the bottom of the sink. So.
You done this before, Rich.
Yeah.
Are you a plumber?
Oh, my dad is.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Convenient situation.
Yeah.
Okay. You got a coat hanger or something?
A coat
Or a
hanger.
collar?
Wire hangers.
Okay.
Yeah, there should be
You
some
need
in
a
the
coat
hallway.
hanger?
They're right there. Oh. Okay.
Where? Right here?
Right in the bag.
They're not, they're all like
That's
plastic.
a bit long.
Here. Take it. Oh no, is that okay? Does that work? Or do you need like one that's more
Bendy.
bendy?
You know you have a cheap hanger in your closet.
Yeah, and then I gotta step over two bodies on my floor.
Oh.
Oh, you got it.
Yes.
Yay!
Oh, it's gone back down.
Lesson learned.
There
Never
we go.
again.
Never put that
Ever
in.
again.
I got a crud all on my arm.
What What time is it? My alarm's done.
It's like 12:30, 11:30,
12.
12. That seems to be working.
Okay.
Sweet. Look at that. Hell yeah.
Number 1 5.